In this lesson, we'll explore how to study comfortably and efficiently using the Education by SendPulse mobile app anytime, anywhere, and without the need for a computer. The mobile app is available for Android and iOS and allows you to take lessons, complete and submit homework, download materials, ask instructors questions, and edit your profile. It's a flexible and convenient way to continue your studies on the go. You can only study in the courses you've already registered for. Browsing and enrolling in new courses is available only through the web version. There are two ways to log in: by school domain or with a code. If you choose to log in by domain, there are two options: a standard sign-in, where you enter the course domain, your email and password, or quick login, where you just enter the domain and your email, then follow the link sent to your inbox to access your account. To log in with a profile code, open the desktop version of your student account, click Edit Profile and find the quick login field. Copy the code, go to the app, select By Code, paste it, and tap Login. The code is valid for 60 seconds, after which it refreshes, so make sure to use the latest one. The app interface is simple and intuitive. On the main screen, you'll see all your available courses. Tap a course to start learning or click Choose a tariff if you haven't opened it yet. Inside the course, select a lesson to access your materials, text, video, or downloadable files like guides and presentations. Once you finish, mark the lesson as completed. You can also rate the lesson and your instructor will see your feedback. If a lesson includes an assignment, open it, enter your response in the provided field, and attach a file by tapping the paperclip icon. Submit your work for review. Once it's approved, you can move on to the next lesson. The app also lets you download videos for offline viewing. Videos are stored securely within the app and can't be exported or shared. To access them, tap the three lines in the top menu and open the Downloads tab. If your course includes tests, complete them directly in the app. Select your answers and view your score when you finish. If you don't achieve the required score but multiple attempts are allowed, you can retake the test by tapping the circular arrows icon. If all attempts are used, contact your instructor. In the Notifications tab, you'll receive email notifications about your course progress and web push messages from instructors. In each lesson, you can ask your instructor a question. Tap the three dots at the top of the screen, select Ask a Question, type your message, and tap the check mark to send. To view all your questions and responses, open the Questions tab, where you can continue the conversation in a chat-like format. In the Profile tab, you can change your name, sign out, or delete your account. All other advanced settings are available only in the desktop version. Learn easily and stay productive wherever you are. Education by SendPulse keeps your learning within reach.